What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Stevie D with GSG Reviews. I'm back again with another one, you know what I mean? First, let me shout out my Alpha Generals, Alpha Generalettes, Alpha Male and Alpha Females in the building. What I got here for y'all today is another little pendant by Harlembling, you know what I mean? Once again, like I said, Harlembling, you know what I mean? They sell affordable silver, so go check them out, you know what I mean? Without further ado, comment, like, subscribe, you know what I mean? Promote if you can. I don't want to hold y'all up any longer, you know what I mean? I like this piece, y'all let me know if y'all like this piece, you know what I mean? So let's get to the video. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Stevie D with GSG Reviews. I'm back again with another one. This one, like I said in the intro, is brought to you by Harlembling. Another pendant, you know what I mean? And I've been wearing the angel pendant so much, and the other cross pendant so much that I almost forgot that I had this one. You feel me? You heard. So, you know what I mean? Without further ado, let's get right into it and let's see what Harlembling is hitting for. You know what I mean? Now, like I always say, see their box, nothing fancy, but sometimes less is more. And when you're only getting pendants, like I said in other videos, you know what I mean? You can't complain. You don't need a huge box. So let's open this up. Bow. There it goes. You know what I mean? This is their baguette cross, men's cross with crown. Y'all know that I like crosses. Y'all know I've been getting more into my Jesus pieces and crosses. And you know, I'm what you would call a religious man, you know what I'm saying? But I'm not perfect, you know what I mean? But anyway, to the piece, this is supposed to be solid silver, CZ stones, baguettes, you know what I mean? And just take a look at this thing, man. This is the back. Let's look for that stamp. Y'all already know when it comes to Harlembling, they say 925. We gotta look for that good old stamp. It's here somewhere. I'm sure it is. Small. Tell me if y'all see it. Let me look again. Here it goes. Right here. 925 sterling silver on the, you know what I mean? Stamp on the bell. But other than that, you know what I mean? Tell me what y'all think of this thing. Now I know what y'all want to know. Hey, yo, Stevie D. How much is that thing, man? That thing looking crazy. Now, if y'all stay to the end of the video, I will be doing a diamond test and a shine test. As you know, Harlembling pieces are always rumored to pass diamond testers. Now, if it passes, that's a plus. But we all know these are CZ stones, so let's not get crazy. But if they pass, it's a plus. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Got somewhat of an open back, somewhat, but it's mostly closed. And I'm not going to lie to you guys. This thing feels like, you know what I mean, essentially a heavy piece. I'm not going to lie. It's not too heavy. I mean, but due to its size, I would say this then. I will be fair. It's true to its size. It got a nice little weight to it. You know what I mean? You got stones on the bell. Stones on the cross. Stones everywhere. You know what I mean? This is the baguette cross with the crown. You know what I mean? Now, I know I skipped over the price. The price on their site right now for this thing right now is $62.99, which is not bad. From what I'm hearing, Harlembling got the cheapest prices as far as sterling silver. And you know what I mean? Whether that's true or not, that's not a bad price. So you know what I mean? Go check them out, man. $62.99, and you see a little bit of that gold in there. You know what I mean? It's not a bad price, not a bad piece. Flip it over one more time. Y'all saw the stamp. If y'all stay to the end of the video, I will be shine testing and diamond testing. You know what I mean? $62.99, 925 sterling silver from Harlembling. You know what I mean? Harlembling. So, like I said, not too much more I can say about this thing, man. 1, 2, 3, I'm out. Okay, so now we back with the diamond testing. I tested it. This is the diamond test on the table. As you can see, it's not passing, but there's a point, and where I hit it at a certain point on the cross, I think it's when I touch the bottom, you know what I'm saying? You'll start seeing it jump up. Look, when I go to lift it off, the needle off it jumps up, it passes on the table, but most people say when you test it on the table, that's not the real test. So you know me, I always do it 2 different ways. So now let's test it in hand. Do it in hand, you got nothing. If you see the light jump up, that means it's hitting metal. And you can see nothing, it's hitting nothing. When you see it jump up like that, it's hitting metal. So yeah, I guess like we said, we don't expect these things to pass because we know they're CZs. You know what I mean? 1, 2, 3, I'm a